door. Early this morning, when you knocked upon my door, and I said, hello, Satan, I believe it is time to go. Me and the devil walking side by side. Me and the devil walking side by side.